Potato fry is an Indian side dish made with potatoes and spices, also known as aloo fry. This 25-minute super quick dish is a fantastic way to serve spiced potatoes in your meal. Heat the pan and add 3 tablespoons oil. Add cumin or mustard 1 teaspoon. Garlic cloves. Add potatoes. Before you fry potatoes, peel them, slice them and soak in water for 30 minutes. Then the potatoes lose their surface starch and come out crunchy when fried. Always use potatoes that are fresh and have thin skin so that the fry is fresh and crunchy. Saute well. Cook covered for 5 to 7 minutes or until the potatoes turn soft. Do not make it mushy. Add 1 teaspoon chili powder, ½ teaspoon cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, ½ teaspoon turmeric powder. Pinch of salt. Cook well till potato turns crispy. Potato fry is ready. If you like our video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.